Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of eco-luxury solid wood sofas design ideas for modern interiors and to generate income. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. In the ever-evolving world of interior design, where trends come and go as quickly as the seasons, one element continues to stand strong: the solid wood sofa. More than just a piece of furniture, it is a timeless statement of craftsmanship, durability, and style that speaks to both tradition and modernity. In today's interior makeover trends, the solid wood sofa has reclaimed its rightful place at the heart of modern homes, blending natural warmth with sustainable elegance. It represents a movement toward authenticity, a shift away from disposable decor toward pieces that last, that tell a story, and that embody values of mindful living. As homeowners and designers increasingly seek furniture that reflects personality, sustainability, and strength, the solid wood sofa stands as both a visual and emotional anchor in any living space. The charm of solid wood lies not only in its strength but in its soul. Every grain, knot, and curve tells a story of nature, its growth, its resilience, its quiet beauty shaped by time. When a craftsman shapes that raw material into a sofa, it becomes more than just seating. It becomes an heirloom, an expression of artistry and respect for the natural world. In modern interiors, where minimalism meets comfort, a solid wood sofa effortlessly bridges the gap between form and function. It invites connection, warmth, and conversation, qualities often lost in mass-produced, synthetic designs. This return to authenticity has ignited a renaissance in wooden furniture making, where sustainability, craftsmanship, and individuality reign supreme. In a world increasingly dominated by fast furniture, cheaply made, quickly discarded, and environmentally taxing, the rise of solid wood furniture reflects a deeper cultural awakening. People are seeking substance over surface. A solid wood sofa doesn't just fill a room, it defines it. It becomes the foundation upon which the rest of the decor revolves, grounding the aesthetic with its texture and character. Whether it's the rich tones of walnut, the light elegance of oak, or the rustic appeal of reclaimed timber, each piece carries a sense of permanence that no synthetic material can replicate. More importantly, choosing solid wood is an embrace of sustainability, an act that honors the environment by investing in something built to last for generations rather than a single season. Modern homeowners are increasingly aware of how their choices impact the planet, and sustainable design is no longer just a trend, it's a lifestyle. A solid wood sofa embodies this philosophy perfectly. Crafted from responsibly sourced or reclaimed wood, it minimizes waste while maximizing value. It proves that luxury and sustainability are not opposites. In fact, they complement each other beautifully. Designers now pair solid wood frames with eco-friendly fabrics, natural finishes, and minimalist silhouettes to create furniture that's as responsible as it is refined. Every aspect of these designs reflects a commitment to mindful living, where beauty serves a purpose and every piece has a reason to exist beyond simple aesthetics. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In the context of a home makeover, introducing a solid wood sofa can completely transform the energy of a space. Its natural texture softens modern interiors, adding depth and character to otherwise sterile environments. The organic presence of wood brings balance to the sleekness of glass, steel, and concrete, materials that dominate contemporary design. A well-crafted wooden sofa invites touch, warmth, and comfort, reminding us that true luxury lies in simplicity and authenticity. Unlike furniture made from particle board or plastic, which often lacks soul and longevity, solid wood pieces age gracefully, developing a rich patina that enhances their beauty over time. They don't just decorate a space, they evolve with it. For creators and entrepreneurs, The demand for solid wood sofas represents a significant opportunity in the furniture market. Buyers today crave uniqueness. They want pieces that reflect their personal style and values. Handcrafted wooden furniture perfectly fulfills that desire. Each solid wood sofa carries individuality in its grain and texture, ensuring that no two pieces are ever identical. This uniqueness adds emotional value, transforming furniture into art that buyers are proud to display and invest in. Moreover, the eco-conscious market is expanding rapidly, with consumers willing to pay a premium for pieces that are ethically sourced and sustainably crafted. For artisans, woodworkers, and small decor businesses, this growing appreciation for sustainable luxury creates fertile ground for creativity and profit. But beyond its market value, the solid wood sofa represents a return to slower, more intentional living. It invites people to reconnect with their homes and the natural materials that fill them. The craftsmanship required to create such furniture fosters patience, skill, and respect for the process, qualities that mirror the rhythm of nature itself. Each joint, curve, and polish is an act of care, turning raw wood into functional art. This human touch is what makes solid wood furniture truly special. It's not just made, it's crafted. And in a world increasingly defined by automation and speed, that authenticity is deeply refreshing. In modern interior design, the appeal of solid wood lies in its versatility. It fits effortlessly into a wide range of styles, from rustic farmhouse charm to sleek urban minimalism. Paired with linen cushions or leather upholstery, it can transform from cozy and traditional to bold and contemporary. Its adaptability ensures that it remains relevant no matter how trends evolve. Interior designers often use solid wood sofas as focal points in living rooms because of their visual weight and timeless appeal. They bring balance to modern decor, grounding the space in nature's calmness while allowing other elements, like textiles, plants, and lighting, to harmonize around them. Furthermore, choosing solid wood furniture contributes to a healthier living environment. Unlike synthetic materials that often emit harmful chemicals, natural wood is non-toxic and promotes better indoor air quality. This makes it an ideal choice for families seeking to create homes that nurture well-being. The tactile comfort of wood, its smoothness, warmth, and organic imperfections, creates a sensory experience that fosters relaxation and belonging. It's a reminder that beauty doesn't need to be flawless to be captivating, it simply needs to feel real. Ultimately, the significance of solid wood sofas in today's modern interior trends goes far beyond aesthetics. It is about honoring craftsmanship, embracing sustainability, and celebrating creativity in its purest form. It symbolizes a conscious shift in how we design, buy, and live, moving away from the fleeting and artificial toward the enduring and meaningful. Every solid wood piece tells a story of transformation, from nature to home, from idea to object, from resource to art. And in that story lies the essence of what modern design truly strives for: a union between the natural world and the human spirit. When you bring a solid wood sofa into your home, you're not just making a decor choice, you're making a statement about what you value. You're choosing longevity over disposability, character over conformity, and sustainability over excess. You're investing in a piece that will age with grace, enrich your space with soul, and remind you daily that beauty and responsibility can coexist harmoniously. In a time when design is rediscovering its heart, the solid wood sofa stands as a timeless emblem of what it means to create with purpose and live with intention, a bridge between nature's legacy and modern life's evolving needs, handcrafted to last, inspire, and connect. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked eco-luxury solid wood sofas design ideas for modern interiors. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, Stay safe and stay blessed.